The 2026 Mercedes S-Class is here to redefine luxury, performance, and innovation. It's not just a car, it's a bold statement of elegance, technology, and driving perfection. With its muscular stance and graceful design, the 2026 S-Class carries a presence that turns heads instantly. Under the hood, it houses a powerful engine that delivers up to 500 horsepower, offering not only smooth cruising but exceptional acceleration and control on any road. The front of the car showcases a stunning diamond pattern grille with the iconic Mercedes emblem standing tall and proud. The LED headlights have been redesigned with slimmer, more angular shapes that give a futuristic look and enhanced night visibility. The bumper features aerodynamic lines with integrated sensors that aid in safety and parking precision. Moving to the wheels, it comes with 21-inch alloy rims, combining elegance with a sporty edge that enhances the car's overall dynamic profile. The side design is sleek, flowing from front to back with minimal disruption. The chrome window trims and the frameless side glass give it a clean, premium appearance. Even the door handles are retractable, blending into the body when not in use to ensure smooth airflow and a sophisticated touch. Around the back, you'll find a refined rear with connected LED tail lights, a bold chrome strip, and a sculpted bumper that hints at performance. Every inch of the S-Class's exterior screams luxury and power, making it a car that not only performs but looks the part every time it hits the road. Step inside the 2026 S-Class, and you enter a world where craftsmanship meets cutting-edge technology. The dashboard is elegantly wrapped in fine leather and wood trim, featuring a wide, curved OLED display that stretches from behind the steering wheel to the center console, offering real-time driving information and infotainment access. A large vertical touchscreen in the middle handles all vehicle controls, with stunning responsiveness and clarity. The LCD screens in the back of both front seats keep rear passengers entertained with streaming and connectivity options. The side doors are padded with soft-touch materials, ambient lighting lines, and aluminum handles that feel as luxurious as they look. Gear selection is seamless through the refined, crystal-style selector, placed ergonomically on the center console. Starting the car is as smooth as pressing a diamond-cut start button, which illuminates with a soft glow. The steering wheel, finished in leather and wood, is not just stylish but also heated, with integrated haptic controls for media, cruise, and navigation. The front seats offer unmatched comfort with heating, ventilation, massage functions, and customizable positions. In the back, it's like sitting in a private jet. The rear seats recline, massage, and even offer calf support. A powered table between the rear seats can be folded out for work or dining, making it perfect for both business and pleasure. Cargo space is generous for a sedan of this class, offering enough room for multiple suitcases and travel essentials without compromising comfort. Whether you're driving or being driven, the S-Class interior feels like a 5-star lounge on wheels. The 2026 Mercedes S-Class starts at approximately $115,000. With various trims and customizations, the price can go higher depending on your preferences and optional packages. The 2026 S-Class is where technology, performance, and pure luxury meet to create something truly exceptional. Driving it feels like living the future. If you love intelligent luxury and dream of the perfect drive, this S-Class review is your gateway. Don't miss what's coming next. Subscribe now to Turbo Excel for premium car reviews, updates, and luxury rides brought straight to your screen every week.